My name's Scott, and in this video I'm going to review the Tapo DL110 Smart Wi-Fi Door Lock. I'm going to be replacing my Kevo Smart Lock, which is a terrible product with dreadful battery life and frequently leaves you locked out. One of the big problems with my Kevo lock is that it just eats batteries. This one, however, has a gigantic rechargeable battery pack. And that's not all, you can even, in emergencies, recharge from the outside of the door lock. Well, let's see how easy it is to install this new lock. So obviously you remove the old lock and then you put in the deadbolt. And then you just take the front part of the lock and the back plate. You put both of them on either side of the door and essentially you sandwich it together and you put two bolts through from the back to the front. Next, you take the back part of the lock and connect the cable that comes through from the front side. Then you put the back part of the lock straight onto the mounting plate. It just clicks in place. You'll see there's two screw holes near the top there, and that just holds the lock in place on top of the mounting bracket. And the third one in the middle is completely optional, and that is the only screw that actually goes into your door. But like I said, it's optional. The lock uses a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, and it actually has a USB-C port built into it. It's a really big battery, so it takes quite a few hours to charge. Once it's charged, you just pop it straight in, pop the cover on, that's it. No screws required. Another reason I hated the old Kevo lock was because you had to unscrew screws every time you needed to replace batteries. So I've set up the lock in the Tapo app and connected it to our Wi-Fi.
Unlocked. Locked.
Yes, it does have voice prompts, but don't worry, you can adjust the volume or turn them off completely. Locking or unlocking is as easy as just touching your finger.
Unlocked. Verification failed.
And you can also set up codes for locking or unlocking. You just tap the lock, the keypad lights up, and you enter your code. There's also a built-in doorbell, though you can adjust the volume or turn it off if you wish. Tapo thought of everything because underneath the rubber bung at the bottom of the lock, there is a USB-C port. So if the battery is flat in emergency, you can just plug in the cable and charge up the battery and get back inside. Last but not least, there's another failsafe, which they supply you with two physical keys. You pop off the doorbell button, insert the key, turn it just like a normal lock, and there you go, you're back inside. Well, I've had it for about 2 weeks now. The battery's still showing 100%, and I've been very impressed. It's a very well-made product. It feels like a quality product. It's really configurable. You can add multiple people, multiple fingerprints, multiple codes, short-term or one-time only codes, and it connects with both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. And the Tapo app gives you a lot of control, so you can get notified when the door is locked or unlocked, or if there's a failed attempt to unlock the door, and also if somebody presses that doorbell button. There's also an auto lock feature, so if you forget to lock the door behind you, it will automatically lock itself, and that's configurable, so you can set the time delay. I have a lot of Tapo products, and I just installed their latest camera, with the first ever with 2-lens system, one of which pans and tilts. If you want to see a review of that, check out this other video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit subscribe. Thanks again. My name is Scott, and this is Scott's Smart Home.